Here I want to find the equation of the tangent line at the given point. So I'm going to start by taking the derivative in order to find the slope. To take the derivative here, I need to use quotient rule, which tells us that I have the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times derivative of the bottom divided by the bottom squared. From here I can simplify, so I have y prime equals x minus 3 minus x minus 2 over x minus 3 squared, which is just going to equal negative 5 over x minus 3 squared. From there, I can plug in my x coordinate to find the slope of my tangent line. So I have negative 5 over